What's up, everyone? Ready to tackle your next woodworking project with precision? Today, we're showcasing the best 14-inch bandsaws that offer power, accuracy, and versatility for cutting through various materials. Whether you're crafting detailed designs or making straight cuts, these top picks are essential for any serious woodworker. Stick around to discover our favorites and check the description for links to these must-have tools. Let's get cutting. Jet JWBS 14 SFX 14-inch bandsaw. At the top of our list is the Jet JWBS 14 SFX 14-inch bandsaw, providing an ideal mix of performance and value, making it a great choice for woodworkers of all experience levels. Its spacious cast iron worktable and 13-inch resaw capacity provide ample space for diverse projects, while the machined aluminum fence system ensures precise cuts. Jet's adjustable blade guide system and dual 4-inch dust ports enhance efficiency, while the robust steel construction guarantees durability. The conveniently located controls, including the blade tensioning wheel, improve the user experience. Backed by a 5-year warranty, this bandsaw combines reliability, visibility, and ample workspace to meet the demands of any woodworking project. Wen BA1487 14-inch bandsaw. The Wen BA1487 14-inch bandsaw is a powerful tool for woodworking, equipped with a 9.5 amp motor and a 13.38-inch throat capacity for tackling substantial projects. With dual speed settings of 1420 and 3280 feet per minute and compatibility with blades ranging from 0.125 to 1 inch, it handles detailed work and efficient resawing effortlessly. The cast aluminum work table bevels up to 45 degrees, enabling precise angled cuts. Additional features like a flexible work light, 3-in-1 dust port, and various accessories enhance its functionality. Backed by a 2-year warranty, this bandsaw is a dependable and versatile choice for woodworking enthusiasts. Grizzly Industrial G0555XH 14-inch bandsaw. Last on our list is the Grizzly Industrial G0555XH 14-inch bandsaw, built for heavy-duty woodworking. It comes with a robust 1.75 horsepower motor that effortlessly handles resaw cuts up to 12 inches thick, eliminating the need for a riser kit. The bandsaw features computer-balanced cast iron wheels, a rack and pinion guidepost, and a removable 6-inch resaw fence for precision and versatility. Its heavy-duty stand and advanced components, such as ball-bearing blade guides, contribute to stable operation. CSA certified for safety, this bandsaw is ideal for demanding projects, offering reliable performance and durability to woodworkers looking for a high-quality tool. We hope this video helps you find the perfect 14-inch bandsaw. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.